Uy, baguhang content creator ka ding ba gaya ko? Alam mo ba na may dalawang support inbox sa Facebook mo kung saan makikita mo ang mga nagiging violations mo? Baka kaya hindi ka pa na-approve sa ads on Reels mo kasi hindi mo pa nag-check to. Halika, ituturo ko sa iyo. Okay, go to your home screen and then select the three lines. Scroll down, click Help and Support, and then click the support inbox. And then your alerts. So as you can see, wala po tayong violations na natanggap. All clear na po siya. So yun po yung sinasabi ko na unang support inbox. And then let's proceed to the second one. Click Creator Support, and then Content and Audience Tools, Reels, and then click the three lines, and then click Support Inbox, and then your alerts. So, ayan po, wala rin po tayong violations. Yan lamang po, thank you!